Okay, guys, hoping everything went well for you guys. So for number 1, you guys should have got to be 62.83 kilometers for the circumference, and I got 39.6 yards for number 2. We got 37.7 centimeters, and I got a radius of 6. For number 4, I got 18.84 and a radius of 3. For number 5, hopefully you guys got 452.4 inches squared. Number 6, I got 34.2 kilometers squared. Number 7, I got 69.4 centimeters squared. And number 8, I got 452.4 miles squared. For number 9 and 10, this is what I got my area, or my circles, to look like. I found the center to be at 7 halves, or 3.5, and 3. The radius was 1. In this case, I got a center at 4, -2, with a radius of 2. Number 11, I got my center to be at -4, -1, with a radius of 3. That gave me that circle. Number 12, the center was at -1, +1, with a radius of 4. Okay. Number 13, I got x minus 14 squared plus y plus 11 squared equals 3. Because when I square a square root of 3, I get 3. Number 14, I got x minus 2 squared plus y minus 15 squared equals 9. So I want to look at question 15. Number 15 looks something like this, in which I know this is the equation of my circle, and what I'm doing to my circle is I'm moving it to the right 4, and I'm moving it down 5. I'm sure a lot of you guys could figure this out, but just one of the ways that I think about this is I think right now, in this equation, it says that my center is at 16, 16. Because remember, it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The radius is not changing, but what I'm doing is I'm taking it to the right 4 and down 5. Well, if I'm taking to the right 4, that means that my center is moving to 20. If I'm going down 5, that means I'm going to 11. So it looks like my equation is going to be x minus 20 squared plus y minus 11 squared equals 4. If I look at this one, my center right now is at -10, -2. Because it's the opposite. When it's x minus h squared, h is usually positive. In this case, it's plus 10. That makes it a -10. And a plus 2 makes it a -2. Now I'm going to the right 1 and up 1. So if I'm doing that, that means my center is going to -9, -1. And that gets my equation then to be x plus 9 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 25. I'm going to ask Miss Wrinkle just to pause the video for a second. And I want you guys to try the next two for me. And this is what I got for 17 and 18. Hopefully you guys did pretty well with this. So I'm going to ask you guys in a second just to look at the next video. There is a QR code for it. You guys can watch that, but maybe this next video will help you guys out a little bit more. Thanks.